Hey guys, what's up? Machiavelli here. Pretty fun video today for you guys. Something I've been working on for a while. Uh, I've been trying to save up all the hero trials chests I've gotten. I've opened a couple. I've had to open bronze trial chest just so I don't max it out. But for today, in a little bit, we're gonna open up 99 bronze trial chest and 99 silver chest. Hoping we get a lot of mutagen and hopefully Asian spirit shards. Trying to get my wonton to inside level 20. He's currently right now at level 14. Trying to get his inside level to level 20. As you can see, I need a lot of rings. And I'm probably going to need a lot more mutagen than that. Probably need around 6,000-7,000. Because I think level 15 insight cost me 1,400 mutagen. So that'll be cool. Update is we all kind of banded together to see what we can do as a collective team. We joined with the Mighty Eagles to kind of kick Core out of the #1 spot, just to see how things are, stir up the rankings a little bit and see what happens. Kind of wanted to see how we did against them in Guild Clash as Mighty Eagles. I think we lost to them pretty bad. We got 50k'd, but with this new team, we recently got them in Guild Clash, and they beat us by less than 2,000 points. So that was pretty lame. I really thought that we could win that one. I think we had that one winnable, but I don't think we hit the right bases, or we didn't have the right strategy going into it. But hopefully the second time around, we're hoping to get them again in Guild Clash. And for this, we got Dragons and Resistance on the Guild Clash. On we 50k Dragons, which they're a pretty good team also. And we had the core on the very last day. As you can see, it was fairly close. And it took all 50 of us to get that close. So hopefully we can do something on this next Guild Clash. Let's see. Oh. So I'm gonna try to join all the mutagen quests that I see. Do I have one on his? Oh, I already have one on there. Let's see. So yeah, I've been racking that up, trying to get my wonton up to level 20 insight, so I can hopefully hold out longer on the next Guild Clash. I'm usually on I think the 4th ring. Right now it's level 15. I think it cost me 14 or 1,700 mutagen just to get level 15. So hopefully I get a lot of rings. I need at least 9,000 rings. I have enough Asian spirits. I think I have almost 10. But I'm hoping to get more of that too, so I can get the next one. I think at level 16 you can get insight to level 20. I think that's what I've seen on some people. But let's see what we can do here. So let me see if let me clear up everything first to make sure that I don't think you get eggs on there, but let's see. Well, I think either way, I don't think I'll get 64 of anything. So let's see. Let's see what we get here. I'm just gonna open all out at once, because I think you get shitty rewards for the bronze trials. Well, let's try one. We get, oh well, I guess I'll get jewels on this one too. So let's just see what we get. Let's use max. I wonder if it's gonna take a while to open up, but let's see. Oh, I see it all. Oh, I guess it's taking a little while to calculate everything. It's Slowly, you can see the numbers kind of moving up at the bottom. Oh, okay, let's see what we got here. Not the amount of mutagen that I wanted. I only got 240, but I'll take it. 160 Asian Spirit Charge, that's crap. Ring 1700. I guess I got 46 chests of gold. I got some jewels. And all these are just little things for hero trials. Okay, well there's that. Let's see. So I still need about 3,000 more jewels. Or 3,000 more rings to get my wonton up there. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see. Let's try one. Let's see what one gets me. That looks promising. 50 mutagen. Okay, well, let's see what we get for 98. It's probably gonna take a while also again, but we'll see. Hoping I get at least 1,000 more mutagen, 3,000 rings, something like that. Hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed. I'm probably gonna wait a little bit to open up the 3 envelope. Oh, nice. 3,500 mutagen, 2,500 jewels, 740 spirit charge. Not bad. That's pretty cool. 6 to 800 rings, 408,000 souls, a lot of gold chest. 37 times 2 million. So that's pretty cool. 64 million in gold. I got some 500k also. Not bad. So now let's see how much we got here. 7,000. Do I have enough? Oh, I do have enough. So let's see what we can do. First, let's get some. Wait, actually, let's see what else do I. Is there anything that I can get? I don't think I can get anything. Let's see. Let's see what the secret vault has for me. Hopefully the ancient spirits. Oh, there's only one left. So I spent 330. Okay, well let's see what we can. Let's see, equipment. Do I need anything? I'll probably gonna do an equipment video in a little bit. This is what I have for equipment. I've been waiting for an event. Well, these are scrolls I have, so I've been waiting for an event for weapons, but it's taken forever. Let's see. Pretty much I have a lot of resources I need to upgrade everything. Just waiting for an event so I can take first place in that. For build and win, I'm currently at. Oh wait. I think I am at 596. What does that get me? Does that even get me anything? Oh, it does. So I'll get 250 jewels. Better than nothing, but I think someone said that there was already 1.2 million for somebody in first. They're at 1.2 million points. No chance in how I'm gonna reach that, even if I use up all my jewels, I think. So right now, let's do what I came to do, which is upgrade wonton. But for that, let's get some ancient spirits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm kind of short one. That's kind of lame. So let's see. Let's get him. Wait, did I miss one? So let's line him up, get some HP. Oh, damn it. I need 4k mutagen. That's great. So there's no chance in hell I'm gonna be able to max it out if I get the Insight. Wait, let's see. What are my choices? Okay, so I can get Insight max level to 20. But I'm gonna run into the medium, so I could do these. Let's get this out of the way. Probably, yeah, let's get this out of the way. And then I just need some ancient spirits. Where the hell am I gonna get that? Oh wait. So I have to spend 6K to get one more. Huh. Okay, well, let's do some rolls. The thing I'm scared of is if I do the 6 and somehow they lose it all. Okay, well, let's do some hiring then. I'll probably do some mutagen quest. So first one, let's see what we got. Okay, got a wonton. Let's see. I think I'll just do rolls. What did I get? Yeah, let's do rolls. I'm not really feeling it. Of course I got, oh, and I got an ancient spirit. Nice. Alright, Pangoli. I think I need one more, maybe. Hopefully I get, oh, another ancient spirit. Nice. So last one. One more ancient spirit. Nope. Okay. I'll take it. I will take it. So right now, let's claim that before it goes away. And let's see. Okay, we got that. Ancient spirit. Oh, maybe we should have gone after mutagen. I think mutagen is a little easier to get. Well, it's a lot easier to get than ancient spirit. But either way, if worst comes to worst, I'll do a lucky spin for it. So let's do that. Let's get it. I need 3. So let's get 3. 1, 2. Oh, it's 4. I was hoping I'd get the new hero just in case, so I can use him for aids, but not really getting it. Oh, there's 1. So how many do I have? I rolled 2. I got 1, so I should only need 2. Oh no, I already have 5. Oh, okay, how much do I have left? So I have almost 3. So I think after this one, after wonton, I am not gonna know who to enlight. But let's see. Enlighten, insight. Attack 20%. Okay. So how much mutagen do I have? 31. So that's 2 levels pretty much. So I get a 3 hopefully. Nope. Let's see. Okay. Hopefully I can get back around, at least get the 100 mutagen. Give me a 4. Or that was a 5 actually. Let me get 3. Nope. Maybe a 1 at least? No. And that's it. Okay. Let's see what else I can get. I think that's all I can get actually. Okay, well, it's the 3rd anniversary. Well, I could get more of that. Or I could just do the 10K. Well, that's something for me to decide and see. So right now for the rankings, we're number 1 for Battle Royale. I'm 59th. Number 1 in Guild. And for the continent, number 2 for me. I think once I get my wonton insight to level 20, I should be close to first. Hopefully. Hopefully. I gotta get another person to enlight. But yep, that's pretty much it. On the next episode, I'll probably do an item or the weapon. Use up all these for the next one. Get everything up there ready for the next war. I need 3 tyrant brands right now. These are the weapons I have. I need to get this and this maxed out. And hopefully one more. Hopefully one more. But I need at least 2. So see you guys in the next episode. And this is gonna take a while, so till next time. See you guys.